Hi everyone, my name is Micah. Thank you for joining me today on my YouTube channel, where I help folks bring light and guidance into the personal and spiritual awakening. And today I want to share with you how you can use the law of attraction to get rid of or cure your own anxiety. Now first I'm going to talk about the law of attraction and kind of what it is and why I'm even able to say that. Like, I use the law of attraction for myself to heal those fears and that anxiety, and kind of like washed it away almost, is the best way I can put it. But first off, let me explain to you what the law of attraction is, right? The law of attraction states that what you think or what you feel is what you attract into your life. It's essentially like you're a magnet, so whatever energetic flows that you have going through you is what you're attracting, because we are all energy, right? So we're all always attracting it. Whatever within us is more predominant, right? So if you are predominantly feeling sad, anxious, fearful, depressed, all of those lower vibrational frequency emotions, of course you're going to attract more situations into your life that are going to allow you to feel that, because that is kind of the mind state that you are in. Something that I've recently come into, and I've actually been talking to my wife about this as well. She has a bachelor's in bio and a bachelor's in chemistry from Holland University, and so we were talking about the brain chemistry, right? We as humans have the ability to change our own brain chemistry without the use of medication, essentially, like pills and stuff from doctors. This is information that isn't necessarily given to us, because someone making money off of a pill isn't going to want you to know that using the law of attraction actually can heal you internally, right? It kind of throws out the need for a pill if you can do it yourself. But that's my goal, and that's why I'm sharing this information with you, is because I've been able to come off 5, 6, 7 medications and not have to take any of them with using this. And I was taking medication just a year ago because I felt like I needed it. But once I understood that the law of attraction literally gives you everything that you need to heal, you just have to be open to it. You just have to want it and be open and willing to accept it, no matter what or how it comes to you. Because that's the thing, we think we know what we need, but in reality, it is typically the easiest way to get to point A from point B from point A, right? We want the easiest way. What I found, the hardest way is going to teach you the lesson. And so the more that you become open and willing to accept your own healing, however that comes or however hard that might be, the better off and easier things will go. And through the law of attraction states that, correct? What you think and feel is what you bring into your life. And I speak this from a place of having gone through a lot of trauma in my life. In past videos, I've talked about, as a child, I was molested, I was raped in my 20s, dealt with neglect, abandonment, and those type of emotions from my past, dealing with parents and, different grandparents and all kinds of different things, right? Different situations that as a child, most don't have to deal with, right? But what I found is that happened then, right? Then. I'm 27 at this point. That's not happening to me right now. So why would you want to feel that way still? To me, I didn't. I will never feel that way again, because it does not serve me. It does not resonate with me. It does not love. And that's what I want to do. I want to love. I want to feel great all the time. And that is a possibility. You just have to believe it. Literally believe it. You can be having the shittiest day and still love and feel great. Because shitty is a perception. That's literally what it is. Things looking and going not your way is a perception, because you're being resistant to what is going to happen either way, which is law of attraction. You have to allow to let go and let in whatever comes without an expectation of what it is. But through this and through understanding this knowledge and the power that you have within you to heal yourself, speaking from experience, like, it's mind-blowing. like mind-blowing. It really, really is. And I just want any and everybody that is hurting inside to understand that you can heal and love yourself in ways unimaginable. You just have to feel that truly deeply inside. I mean, truly feel it inside and believe that you feel good. You have to, that's the biggest part about the law of attraction that really isn't talked about is the link between your thoughts and your emotions. And I speak this because I have made emotional bounds within the last year, within the last month. I've healed the deepest, darkest parts of me that I can't even put into words for anybody to understand. The fact that I'm making this video blows my mind, right? I didn't think I had the knowledge to make this video, and here I'm sitting, and I know I do. That's the thing, like I know I do. It's a self-limiting belief, but I also believe that I know. And I truly do. That's why I'm making this video. I read The Secret. Like, you just have to believe it. Truly, feely believe. Wow, I got a little tongue-tied there. Anyways, I hope that this video helps somebody out there who is in need of healing and loving, and just anybody that's experienced any trauma in your life. Just know that there is another side. There is a way out of feeling the way that you're feeling right now. And just a year ago, I was feeling the same way. I was having suicidal thoughts. I was questioning, everything, just questioning everything. And I'm sitting before you today, a very whole, loving human. And it is possible to do that. And anybody that knows me from my past knows that I used to be a very angry, mean asshole. Like, there's no other way to put it. I was not someone that you wanted to be around. And that was reflected in my life. And once I accepted in it and was honest with myself that I actually needed that healing and that I needed to look within, once I accepted that fact, things did a 180. And I've healed myself, and I've gotten and paid attention to everything in the way that everyone makes me feel. And fortunately for me, like, I've also been able to create a very solid support foundation. And it's all, like, I've done this all through the law of attraction and healing my traumas and my emotional blockages. And you just keep trucking and keep believing, even on your bad days. Just know that everything is okay and there is nothing wrong with you, that you are whole and you are healed internally. And the more that you feel and believe that, you'll see it spread throughout your life. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I do put out videos every day to every other day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions or you have any questions about anything that I've talked about, feel free to drop a comment. You can shoot me a message, hit me up on Instagram if you want to. I am open to talking to people and helping them understand maybe on a different level if that is something they're definitely interested in, right? So everyone have a wonderful day. I love you. Namaste.